Provide protection. This flare trim is installed between the fender flare and the vehicle's body, which can isolate vibration, reduce friction, protect the car paint, and eliminate the risk of pinching rocks and debris between the fender flare and the body of your vehicle. Clean lines. Wiper-style shape, adding extra coverage to your vehicle, creates a clean line between the vehicle's body and the flare. High performance. This fender flare edge trim is made of EPDM rubber material with excellent performance, ozone-resistant, weather-resistant, very flexible. Save money. 30 feet length, enough to cover all 4 fender flares. No need reorder to finish the job, save your money. Easy to install. This fender flare trim comes in acrylic automotive-grade adhesive tape. Strong bonding and easy installation. Top reviews from the United States. Oh yeah, it sticks. The tape on these is great. Aren't worry about this coming off. It's nice and large. Why bushwhacker fenders don't use it, I have no clue.